Owens Valley in eastern California is known for scenic vistas, great food, recreational opportunities, and the water supply for Los Angeles. But did you know that the Railroad Restoration Project is picking up steam in the town of Independence? Built in 1911, Southern Pacific Engine 18 was first assigned as engine number 12 on the Nevada, California, Oregon narrow gauge line out of Reno, Nevada. When the NCO converted to standard gauge, Southern Pacific Railroad moved Engine 18 to the narrow gauge branch south of Mina. Engine 18 served faithfully along the full length of California's Owens Valley from 1928 until her retirement to Dahee Park in 1955. Following 42 years of active service and another 55 years in retirement, Engine 18's restoration got underway in November 2010. In DVD Volume 1, we will cover 80 years and 300 miles of railroading history, showing Carson and Colorado stations from Mound House, Nevada to Keeler, California. Volume 1 will also show the restoration of Engine 18's oil tender and locomotive cab. In DVD Volume 2, you will see Engine 18's initial construction by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia, and you will visit some of the old stations along the Nevada-California-Oregon line. Join our team of experts in DVD Volume 2 as they test and restore each of the locomotive's original systems in preparation for full steam operation.
We've done some extensive tests on this locomotive and we found that it's in excellent shape. The boiler shell is good. We have to replace a few pieces of it.
Watch the restoration team as they install stay-bolts, insert new boiler tubes, survey the boiler shell, and patch the wrapper sheet. Members will regrind the slide valves, install a new cylinder head and piston rings, and restore the valve motion. The Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad will assist as they fabricate a new drive axle and recontour Engine 18's drive wheels. Meanwhile, the volunteers in Independence will rebuild the brake rigging, recondition the dynamo, air pump, lubricators, and cab controls, and install a second water glass for enhanced safety. Engine 18 will also keep her original distinctive multi-chime whistle. DVD Volume 2 will conclude with the opening of the new railroad exhibit at the Eastern California Museum. The railroad exhibit will include an engine house and a rail yard where the Slim Princess will, once again, roll down the track under full steam.
Restoring the Slim Princess, Volume 1, Tender and Cab, available now on DVD. Volume 2, Under Full Steam, will be available on DVD in 2016. DVDs may be purchased on the web at carsoncolorado.com.